Very good day and welcome. Today we're dealing with biology past question 2019 and we're working on question 12. The products of tissue respiration are A. Glucose, oxygen and water, B. Oxygen, water and energy, C. Glucose, carbon dioxide and energy, D. Water, carbon dioxide and energy. Tissue respiration refers to the breakdown of glucose to give you energy. Breakdown of glucose to release energy. Now it is the process that occurs in humans and other living organisms to release energy. And the equation of the reaction is like this. This is the glucose in the presence of 6 molecules of oxygen to give you 6 molecules of carbon dioxide, 6 molecules of water, and 38 ATP, which is the energy. And this is carbon dioxide, and this is water, H2O. So now from this particular illustration, you agree with me that the correct option is option D, water, carbon dioxide and energy. Thank you and God bless you. Please ensure you subscribe for more videos.